Did you ever wonder what will happen to your secrets once you are gone? We never know what may happen tomorrow, if we will still be around. Does your family and loved ones have all your precious info? We may have omitted to share some extremely important aspects, those risking being lost forever. Today, digital solutions make wonders when it comes to data sharing, even of our secrets. And we need a day when we'll need to share data even after life is over. Thus, Take My Vault provides a platform that securely stores crucial data. It can be anything from images to text, documents, audios, or videos. Easy configurations ensure your data is shared automatically if anything unfortunate happens. Just 4 easy steps. That's all it takes. Sign up, nominate, configure, and secure your data. Take My Vault incorporates efficient heartbeat algorithms to check on your existence through text messages and emails. In case you go silent beyond the configured time limit, it shares the stored data how you wanted and to the people you nominated. Any computer or smartphone browsers can be used for managing the account. No network? No problem. Just install our smartphone app that saves data offline on local storage and unrolls synchronization when network resumes. It's simple, secure, and confidential. Your data vault is safe with us. So what are you waiting for? Get your free vault today at www.takemyvault.com. Reincarnation of your data is our promise. www.essolution.in. All rights reserved.